Okay. Is there something here that bothers you guys? Something here that you're thinking? Something na parang questioning nyo, no? And you do not have any answer. So, that's what we're gonna take a look at, no? Dito sa ating short video reading, no? So, kung meron man kayong tanong kay universe, no? You can ask that sa inyong mind, no? Ngayon na. Okay? Or you can pause this video, no? Para makapag-concentrate kayo dyan. And yun nga, no? Puwede rin naman na habang ako ay nagsho-shuffling dito, no? So, let's see, no, what is the universe answer here sa inyo, guys, no? True sa kanyang mga angels. What would be the answer para dito sa question ng aking mga collective people, whatever it is na inaalala nila right now? Can you please show me? Can we have a clear answer for this? Okay. So we have here for your answer, success. So whatever it is, mukhang universe is saying yes to it, no? So kung ano man yan, no, success is coming. Yan yung sinasabi nila rito, no? So definitely, it is already guaranteed na may tagumpay dito sa anumang iniisip or inaalala mo. And also have here, the situation will improve. See, look at that. See, if pangit or syungit yung situation ngayon, no, then expect some kind of drastic changes, positive changes na magpapa-improve ng sitwasyon. Kaya kung ano man yan, love life area man yung problema ninyo, related sa money man yung problema ninyo, related sa personal life ninyo, the situation will definitely improve and it's guaranteed. Yes, no, it's already confirmed. And at the bottom of the deck we have here for you guys, it's a yes with exclamation, mga babes, no? It's a yes. So, definitely, mag improve yung situation na yan. Ano man yung tanong mo, mga babes, no? Okay? Ito ang sagot ni universe. So, kuha pa tayo more ng other informations. No? Can you please tell me more? Ano pa mga related ditong mga messages dito? Can you please show me? So, kung ano man yan, the situation will improve. Kaya no need to worry. Okay. We have here the imagine. We also have here the all that glitters. We also have here the buy the book. We also have here come to the edge. And bottom of the deck, we have here the tribes. Okay? Together with happy, happy. Look at that. See? Okay. So, nakikita ko rito, okay, na sinasabi rito, mga babes, no, na kung ano man yung parang nai-imagine mo na hindi maganda sa situation ninyo ng partner mo, kung ito ay love situation right now, maybe you are in separation, or maybe magulo kayo ngayon, no? Or parang hindi kayo nag-uusap, may ganong klase ng energy. Whatever the situation is, it will definitely improve, no? Na magiging positive, no? So, may pagkakaayos dito, no? So, kung ano man yung i-imagine mo, no, na hindi maganda, okay, kailangan mo nang alisin yan. By the book right here, no, hindi mo kailangan mga babes na parang, porket parang sinasabi ng iba, no, or parang kung ano yung nakikita mo ngayon, na hindi mismo, hindi na kayo magkakayos nito, yung mga malabo na to, ganyan, no. So, do not be blinded what you're seeing right now. It's just an illusion or it's just a bend. This too shall pass. Yan, no? So, if it is a problem here related naman sa inyong kaperahan, ganun din, di ba? So, the situation will improve positively. So, kung ano man yung nakikita mo ngayon, na yung laman ng pera mo no, is 100 na lang, 20 na lang, whatever. okay? The situation will improve, no? Hindi ibig sabihin kung ano yung nakikita mo, yan na yun, mga babes, no? All that glitters right here, look at that, see? Okay? You must think positively. Yan ay mga mask, no? So, mga babes, no, kung ano yung nakikita mo, no, hindi pa yan yun. Okay? Kasi, meron ako nakikita dito, no, na golden glitters, no, which symbolizes that there's something more, no, sa nakikita mo, no, there's something hidden, no. So, nakikita ko rito, may opportunity para umangat yung laman ng wallet mo, yung laman ng kaban mo, yung laman ng ATM mo, no? So, there's a possibility. At nakikita ko na ang magiging daan dyan ay ang mga tao around you. The universe will use them as instruments, no? Para makita mo rito yung talagang nararapat here for you guys, no? So, yeah, you might feel like na parang ito ay imposible or you might feel like no, na hindi minsan ang hirap maging positibo kagaya ng sinasabi mo, eh, ito lang nakikita ko, 20 na lang to, paano naman ako bukas? Yan, no? So, mga babes, no, think positive, okay? Think of those things. You know, the universe loves, no, yung gratitude. Okay? The more you thank the universe, the more blessings will come to you. Okay? So if you believe in miracle, and if you still believe that miracle exists, then you can have one. And I'm telling you, even a minute ago, okay, pwede mong ma-receive ang blessing na to. Just be grateful, you know. Maniwala ka dun sa miracle, no? So, kung gusto mo na maayos ang isang relationship, mag-aayos, magkabati kayo or whatever, no, then that will happen. Okay? Okay? So, kung gusto mo na magbago yung sitwasyon mo sa pera, then that will also happen. No? You just need to be positive right here. No? Alam mo, nakikita ko rito na ano sabi mo, 20 na lang laman ng wallet mo, kakain ka pa, whatever. No? Then a minute ago, bago ka pumasok sa trabaho, a miracle, boom, will happen. Diba? Someone here sent you a money. Pre, ayan yung bayad ko sa utang ko sa'yo. See? Miracle it is. That person, hindi ka naman talaga babayaran, wala kang kaalam-alam, babayaran ka niya ngayon, no? And then yung sinasabi mo rito na wala kang pangkain, wala kang baon, ngayong araw, dito kasi 20, naglalakad na nga lang ako, Miss Yanesi. A miracle will happen a minute ago na bago mo kailanganin yun. You just need to be positive here, sweetheart, no? And this, if it is a love situation right here, no, and you feel like, this is already the end of you too, then your person will definitely call you. Kring, kring, kring. Hello? See, your person will definitely call you right here. So, no matter what it is that you're dealing here, no matter kung ano man yung kumakain at lumalamon ng isipan nyo ngayon, then this is the answer of the universe. Okay? So, yeah, iwan ko sa inyo itong answer ni universe sa inyo, guys. True. His angels right here. So, thank you so much again, I'm Yuriana Oni. Happy Sunday. Annyeong. Love and light.